back to the vlog channel. We have reached Chikmagalur. This is a 5-hour drive from Bangalore. We took multiple stops, but I did not film a lot of it, but I wanted to film once we're here, and here we are. It's such a beautiful view. You can't see a lot except for the cows, but what we see is amazing. So we are staying at a resort. Oh, there we go. You have to take a route, and there it is.
It's a detour. Oh
Detour.
My God.
So we parked the car, and now we are on the way to the check-in. We can already hear some
Vibes
music.
तो है भाई.
Vibes are it, so let's go explore. All relaxing vibes. I'm so excited. We've got the room. We are going for a high tea with the mommy, so let's go. Wow, look at that. Is that the place to Narnia? Look at that. The water is still and so is the bridge. Okay, that's fine. We were planning to get the huts, but the huts are not air conditioned. So my mom said that animals like insects can come in, so let's just get an AC room. But this is where the huts are, and it's very quaint and so cute. Look at this. How adorable. There's like a little sitting area over there. First animal sighting in the wild. It's a frog. Hey buddy.
Tar, tar, tar.
This is where they do bonfires on the weekends. Luckily we came Friday, Saturday, so we can enjoy bonfire 2 nights. And there's another bridge. This one I'm definitely gonna let him go first. Can you hear that? This is shaky. This is shaky.
Shaky, shaky.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, ध्यान से मम्मा बिना पकड़े मत आना. मम्मा
बात ले रहे थे और कुछ और ही हो जाएगा.
Everything went dark. I was already scared here. I am wearing my shoes as we speak. I was already uncomfortable with the level of lighting here.
This is the
भाग भी नहीं
perfect.
Oh, thank God.
wow.
Thank God. Oh my
भाग
God.
भी
That
नहीं
was so
सकते. वो
scary.
पुल देखा कैसा था? ब्रिज
Exactly.
नदी के ऊपर.
We're just waiting for the bonfire.
But आ गई है लाइट.
Can
अब
we
इसीलिए
light
हम
this?
bonfire के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. 7:30 बजे स्टार्ट हो गया. अभी 7:25 हो रहे हैं. तो
I'm waiting. It's time for a room tour. We came back after dinner and now it's time for a room tour. So our room is A7. This is one of the AC rooms. This does not come with the room. And here it is. Look how spacious. We have a sofa, a double bed, and we requested for another cot. I can't show you the view right now, but basically it's greenery. Whoa, okay. Oh, there's a mirror. This is the outfit of the day. I really love that. And then this is the bathroom. So spacious. I love it. Yay! Let the holiday begin. We will say one thing. Oh, animals all around. We will say one thing. If you are thinking of having a relaxing holiday here, maybe change your mind because you might be able to hear the music. Yeah, the music is never ending. We asked to play some relaxing music around a campfire, which played for like 5 minutes. And that's
5 minutes भी नहीं कम.
It's too much, huh? So it's not a relaxing holiday, it's a holiday. Okay, like it's a hype holiday. Just think about it like that, right? So the t-shirt I'm wearing is my brother's. By the way, I don't know if I shared with you guys or not. We just cut my brother's old t-shirts that he did not want, and now I have new crop tops. How amazing is that? I've put on my sunscreen and everything. Now the makeup, the only makeup I'm wearing is the Charlotte Tilbury Pinkgasm Beauty Light Wand. This is like a highlighting blush, and I put this on my face, like on my cheeks and my lips. Sorry, and my lips, and I'm just, wow, this is crazy. The curl cream I'm using is the L'Oreal Dream Lengths No Haircut Cream. It's a leave-in conditioner basically. If you don't know which curl products to use or what to do, just look for a leave-in conditioner. And look at that, amazing. So we're on our way to Baba Budangiri, the peak. It's so quiet here. It's very hot, by the way, so I have resorted to this hairstyle. Look at that. That looks unreal. It's unreal, and we're literally at the top because look at that. There's nothing. We are at the top. I've never been on top of a mountain. It's amazing. Like, look at the beautiful layers. So we are at Baba Budangiri Peak. It's about 5 minutes away, but now it's all like this. So we decided to skip the car and we are going by foot. There's apparently a lake on top. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Maybe we would like to hire a car as well. Let's see. So we are at the first viewpoint. We took the jeep, which was a better decision. They know how to drive here better. You can keep walking until I don't know where, but this is amazing. It's so beautiful. The air is cooling. It's wonderful. So we've reached, this is the peak. Look at that, how beautiful. There are two mountains intersecting like this. It's very dangerous. There's no like railing, so you have to be very careful. Look at that. Amazing. Those are the Western Ghats. So we are going to the Jhari Falls, and you can't bring a private vehicle or hike here because they have tiger movement here. So tigers just walk about, and even the road is not really, it's barely a road, and there's so many like stones coming out of the road. So yeah, best to just get there higher. It's 800 rupees. It's like a queue number, like you just get whatever taxi you see, get in. It's like that, but it's beautiful. It's really like, wow. You have no idea what we just went through. That was turbulence max, crazy. I think all of the organs inside my body are rearranged now. Look at this. Can you tell? It's red. There's so much red sand everywhere. You have to get. Now we've ended up at our last stop, so we decided to minus a few stops because we were tired from that jeep ride, but look where we've ended up. This is the Hirakkolale Lake, and I would highly recommend, do not skip this place. This is amazing. It's free. Bring your car, you can drive all the way in. It's a man-made lake. I don't know how that is, but this is amazing. नीचे से मम्मा स्लिप हो रही है, ध्यान से खुल रहा है नीचे से.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yay! Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Ooh. Coffee from Chikmagalur. Oh my God! ये तो बड़ा अच्छा है. खुश हो गए
मम्मी.
अच्छा गिफ्ट है यार. Very good.
Happy Mother's Day.
Good idea.